I've spent my fair share of time battling soap scum on my shower doors, and let me tell you, it's no fun. I bought and tested these top-rated products, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money on cleaners that just don't cut it. Here's what I found. Product number 1, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sponge. Let me start with the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sponge. I was skeptical at first. I mean, how can a simple sponge be that effective? But after a few scrubs, I was left in awe. I used it on my glass shower doors that looked like they hadn't been cleaned in months. Just wet it, and it glides over the surface, lifting soap scum without the need for any additional cleaning solutions. The melamine material really is a game changer, and I noticed that it requires way less scrubbing than traditional cleaners. The best part? It's non-abrasive, so I didn't have to worry about scratching the glass. Pros? It's versatile, using it on everything from my bathtub to even my car windows. Not to mention, it's extra durable and lasts longer than the leading bleach sprays. But on the downside, it may not tackle heavy stains if you don't put in a bit of elbow grease. Why should you buy it? If you're like me and want a quick, effective, and hassle-free cleaning experience, this sponge is a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Product number 2, All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. Next up is the All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee by DocRock. This sleek 10-inch tool is a sight for sore eyes and is essential for anyone who wants to keep their glass shower doors spotless. I gave it a whirl right after a shower, and I was impressed how easy it was to use. The silicone blade glided effortlessly over the glass, and within seconds, I saw a streak-free shine. The build quality is top-notch. Rust-resistant stainless steel paired with a premium silicone blade means this squeegee is built to last. However, the ergonomic design is what really stood out to me. It felt comfortable in my hand, and I could easily maneuver it around tricky corners. The 2 adhesive hooks that come with it for easy storage are a nice touch too. But let's be real, if you're not the type to squeegee right after every shower, you might still find some buildup over time. So if you're consistent, this tool's your best friend, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about cleanliness. Product number 3, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Shower and Tub Scrubber. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Shower and Tub Scrubber is next on our list. I was genuinely excited to try this out. When I unboxed it, I noticed the sturdy grip handle and the rotating head, which immediately made me think about those hard-to-reach spots. I took it into my shower, and within moments, I was scrubbing away at the soap scum like a pro. This scrubber cuts through 100% of soap scum and grime, and it really does save you time. I found that it was genuinely effective in half the time compared to traditional sprays. The built-in squeegee left a streak-free finish, which was a pleasant surprise. The scrubber also comes with 2 lemon foaming magic erasers, and together they create a powerful cleaning duo. However, some people might find it a bit bulky for small spaces, so if you have a compact shower, keep that in mind. Overall, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to tackle tough bathroom grime, this scrubber is a fantastic choice. Product number 4, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Variety Pack. Now let's talk about the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Variety Pack. This pack includes a mix of different types of magic erasers, ultra thick, ultra foamy, and extra durable. I was thrilled to try out the ultra thick first. It claims to last 7 times longer than the original, and I can confidently say it really does. I used it on various surfaces, from my kitchen stovetop to the shower doors, and it performed exceptionally well. The ultra foamy version was especially impressive. It cleaned with 95% less scrubbing compared to traditional sprays. I loved being able to take it outside too. It tackled scuff marks on my patio furniture like a champ. Of course, the variety means you can choose the right tool for the job, but some users might find they don't need all the types. Regardless, if you want a flexible cleaning solution that works wonders on a range of surfaces, this variety pack is an excellent option. Product number 5, Dance Moon Just Hang Shower Squeegee. Lastly, we have the Dance Moon Just Hang Shower Squeegee. This sleek, all-in-one silicone design caught my attention right away. It's not just about looks. This squeegee is incredibly functional. I hung it up on my shower wall without needing any additional mounts, thanks to its built-in hook. I tried it out, and it glided across the glass effortlessly, removing steam and soap scum in one smooth move.
The no streak guarantee is real. My glass was sparkling clean. The ergonomic grip made it comfortable to use, even when my hands were wet. The seamless design means no crevices for mold to hide, which is a big win for maintaining a clean bathroom environment. However, some might find the one-piece design a bit limiting if you're looking for a traditional squeegee. Still, if you want a stylish, efficient cleaning tool that makes your bathroom look good while keeping it clean, this squeegee is a solid choice.